Hello crafties, this is Sandra from volleyfire.com and I create small batch graphics to keep your designs unique. And this is my vlog about being an illustrator working from home, and I share my tips and tricks so you don't have to do all the mistakes I've done in the past, so you can take giant leaps right from now. So in this vlog I will be talking about having a site and why you should have a own site. And if you find this channel helpful, please subscribe. I love if you subscribe, and be sure to hit the bell icon so you never miss any of my updates. And below you also find a link to my newsletter so you never miss any of the fun stuff happening in the Volley Fire crafty land. Enough about that. Today is why you should have a site. I've been selling online for many years now, and I, as many, started, but I think many do, with an Etsy shop and I think a Society 6 and a Redbubble, if I remember it correctly. Yeah, I had so many shops by now, so yeah. And everything felt really good, I'm opening my shop and blah blah blah, and I'm learning things and I'm starting my business. But in a couple of years from opening those shops, I started to realize something, and that was that I wasn't protected in any way for my business as my business grew. And I realized I was dangling, by a thread, by their rules and by everything, they could kick me out whenever they want to. Of course, they don't do that because they want, people to sell on their platforms. But if you by mistake, say, break their rules or something like that, we can all do mistakes. We are stupid sometimes. And those things happen to everyone sometimes, But they can just kick you out and you can say nothing about it. You can't say, oh, I will change this or blah, blah. You can get kicked out and you never, ever can have your shop back. They even, close you, and all the orders that are inside, the shop, the digital shop, gets closed from you. So you cannot even reach the customers. So, of course, they have rules because it's their business and, it's a platform. You hire like a place in a mall, and what you pay for, because you pay commissions and fees and everything, stacks up to them, and it's to get traffic, which is good in the beginning. As you are a new business, it's hard to get traffic to a standalone site, of course. So in the beginning phases, okay, have only an Etsy shop. But as soon as you see the wheels turning, that your business is growing, please consider creating your own standalone site. I've seen this now in so many happenings here on the internet for some months now. It's very shaky, I say. Shops are, some platforms are rising the fees. I won't say the name here right now, but I have to check it out how it ends. But they've been raising up to 40% of the sales, so they take a very huge chunk of your sales. So, and you can't say anything about that. You're just standing there. If you want to play, you have to pay. So, and by saying that is that you always should start your own site to have your own empire that you can build your business on, that is reliable. It's your rules, and you can, if it's yours, let's say it like that. And it's so important. And yeah, I've seen on forums so many people standing there with just one platform they are selling on, and they are changing the algorithm. Okay, Google can change their algorithm too, but it's another way, you can drive traffic like through this video or, social media and stuff. So you're not alone like that, but you get really crushed in if sites or, change rules and algorithms and you name it. You can get like kicked down to the floor very easily. And if you depend on that income, then you are really, not good. So diversify. That's my tip. Have a site that's yours. And then you can diversify and have shops on like Etsy, Society6 and everywhere. This is my business model. I do this like this so I can sleep at night, If one platform is acting crazy, then it's okay, I have the other platforms that I can focus on and, keeping my mental state okay. And having my own site is so, I don't know who to thank, but my lucky star, I guess. I opened my site as early as I did because it takes so long time to build traffic to a site as well. So you have to think about that. It takes time, very long time. So if you have a huge Etsy shop and in the middle of everything it's, you're kicked out or something, and then you should start your own site, then it takes a while for that site to get traction on Google and stuff like that. And of course, you should always have a mailing list, but that's something else for our next video. But that's my little tip for today. I'm sorry for the lighting. It's been so dark here, and it's raining and raining and raining and raining, and I don't know what to do. But you have to live with it. I hope the sound is great. If you have any questions about, selling on platforms and selling on your own site, please let me know. I'm here to help you. And please consider my advice that you should open own site as soon as possible. As soon as you feel that your wheels are turning, do it, because it's so important. Yeah. I think that was all for today. Yeah, crafties. And be sure to check out my Black Friday sale that are coming. Yay! Keep an eye on your inbox. I won't say anything more because I want my crafties on my newsletter to get the news first. So sign up for the newsletter if you don't have done so yet. And join me in my Facebook group as well, along with some wonderful crafties. We share tips and tricks and motivate each other and give inspirational and business advice. So please sign up for a membership there too. I love to see you there. And remember to subscribe to this channel if you love it and if you find my little chit chats helpful. And see you next time, crafty. I hope you have a great week, or maybe I will post something earlier. I don't know. But have a nice time until next time. Let's put it like that then. Love you. Bye bye.